I've had a couple of you not know how to submit an assignment on Google Classroom, so I'm just going to go through that process really quick. Right here will be the assignment that is required for you to turn in. You can always open it, and it'll open a new tab, and change anything that you need to or complete anything that you need to. When you have finished your assignment, you're simply just going to exit out of the assignment. It will save it. Then you are going to click Turn In right here. When you click Turn In, it's going to ask you if you would like to turn in your work. Click Turn In. When it says Turned In right here, that's when you know I now have access to grade it. If you'd like to start over, you can click Unsubmit and make any changes that you would like. Then turn it in when you are ready.